Hi, have you ever wanted to make an exploding volcano? We're going to do that today. I'm going to show you the materials that you'll need. I used a recycled water bottle. You could use a soda bottle, or there are a lot of other containers, but this is what I had on hand. Then I used some paper, and I just used a recycled grocery sack, cut it open, and that's what I used for my volcano here. And I crumpled it up to give it some texture, taped it around my bottle. You could use a lot of different things to make your volcano. You could use paper mache or clay. I've seen it done with Legos. There are a lot of things you can do. Just get creative. But this is what I had on hand. You're also going to need baking soda and vinegar, and this is optional, dishwashing liquid, but that adds some more bubbles into your lava. And I have food coloring here. If you don't have food coloring, you could use washable paint. And I am using this awesome funnel that I happen to have in my kitchen. It comes in handy. You don't have to have a funnel. Or if you want to make one of your own, just get a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and fold it into a conical shape, making sure that your opening is smaller than the opening of your bottle, and you can make your funnel that way. But let's get started. I have already put warm water into my bottle, and I filled it almost all the way up. I have about this much headspace, and that's it. To that, I am going to add my food coloring, or you could use washable paint, and I'm going to add about 5 or 6 drops. You could add any color. Next, I'm going to put in just about 3 drops of the dishwashing liquid and add more bubbles. That's going to be fun. Now I'm going to add in, put my funnel there and add in the baking soda, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. There's 1, and there's another one. Okay, I'm going to put my volcano back on like this. Make sure that you can see the opening of your bottle, because next we're going to pour our vinegar in. You want to be able to see where you're pouring. And I'm going to put my goggles on. Do you need goggles for this experiment? No, you do not. Do you need a lab coat for this experiment? No, you do not. But if you have them, why not wear them? Science is fun. Now, here we go. I have put about a 1/4 cup of vinegar, just plain white vinegar in here. I'm probably not going to need that much. And then I put it in this measuring cup because it's very easy to pour that way. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. I'm going to pull this down just a little bit so I can see, there we go, the opening to my bottle. Woo! There's some lava. I hope you can see that. Mainly it came over this side. Let's add some more. I don't know if you could. I'm going to turn this around. I hope you could see that lava come out. It's still coming out of the top right there. There we go. If you do this inside, make sure that you use some kind of container. I have a baking pan here. You could use a big tub. You could do this in the sink, but you want to catch some of that lava coming out. Now, if you wanted to make this into a big science experiment, you could. I'm going to put some more information down below in the description box. But what if you added more baking soda? How would that change your reaction here? What if you added more vinegar? How could you make your eruption go higher? How could you make it last longer? Follow the scientific method. Make some predictions. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.